Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ajit. In the previous video, we talked about Kotlin and why it's the best choice for Android app development. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out. In this video, we are going to learn Kotlin basics. Don't worry, this will be simple, beginner friendly, and very practical, especially if you are an Android developer or coming from Java. So, first, what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern programming language developed by JetBrains. It is officially supported by Google for Android development. Kotlin is designed to be concise, safe, and easy to read. And the best part is it works perfectly with Java. You can use Kotlin and Java together in the same Android project. Now let's talk about variables in Kotlin. In Kotlin, we mainly use two keywords, val and var. Val is used to read only variables. Once you assign a value, you cannot change it. Var is used for mutable variables, meaning the value can be changed. For example, val name equals Ajit, var age equals 28. As a best practice, always prefer val whenever possible. It makes your code safer and easier to understand. Next, look at data types. Kotlin supports common data types like int, string, boolean, and double. But most of the time, you don't need to mention the type explicitly. Kotlin is smart enough to understand the type based on the value. This is called type inference. So your code becomes shorter, cleaner compared to Java. One of the most powerful features of Kotlin is null safety. If you worked with Java, you probably know how painful null pointer exceptions can be. Kotlin was designed to solve this problem. In Kotlin, a variable cannot be null by default. For example, var name, I'm mentioning this data type as string null. So the compiler throws error. If you want a variable to hold a null value, you must explicitly allow it using a question mark like this. This forces you to handle null cases properly at compile time instead of crashing at runtime. So, why Kotlin is great for Android development? With Kotlin, you write less code, your apps are safer, and code base is much cleaner. That's why today almost all modern apps are written in Kotlin. Alright, that's it for Kotlin basics. In the next video, we'll talk about control flow in Kotlin, like if, else, when, and loops. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your other Android developers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!